Hi everyone, it is me, Ahmed. Today we are unboxing these two Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's unbox this Hot Wheels 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat with purple, white, gold, and black from then and now, 710 with 231 out of 250. Cars from the past and the present. Can you collect all 5 pairs? There's a Dodge trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail. Passenger side with gold wheels, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S35, S25, that's the code. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels 1969 Shelby GT500 with purple and white from WrestleMania 910 with 195 out of 250. And this is KK's 2023 Super Treasure Hunt. This is not super, this is regular. Custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. There's a Ford Motor Company trademark and Hot Skis trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail. Passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S14, that's the code. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.